Welcome to Summer Learning Academy. Your child's teachers thought this would be a wonderful opportunity for them, and we're so excited to have them join our program. So let's get started, and I'll help you register. First, you need to log into Skyward Family Access. It's really easy to find Skyward at wayzataschools.org. Click on the little login tab at the top of the page, and on the left-hand side under Parents, you will see Skyward Family Access. Click that and log in. Now, if you need help with your login information or more assistance, contact our help desk and they will be more than happy to assist you. Once you're logged in, select the child you wish to register for Summer Learning Academy. You can find their name in red. Select your child and then select Go to 2021 Summer Learning Academy for your student, and a box will pop up. The box lets you know that your child's learning plan has not been completed. Simply click yes that you would like to complete it now. A form pops up and feel free to take a look at the information. What you'll eventually need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and type your name and today's date. Once completed, be sure to go to the bottom of the window and click Complete Step 1 Only. Then, to the right-hand part of the screen, click the box that reads Next Step right here. Click that. Now, in the middle of the screen, click the Submit 2021 Summer Learning Academy. That's it! You've registered, and the Summer Learning Academy staff looks forward to seeing your student this summer.